have to make some soft jaws for a part we're making here. The part's over 6 inches, so I'm going to put 4 inches worth of 1, 2, 3 blocks in here, because you have to have your back jaw, your free jaw, moving jaw, tightened down when you're going to machine it. Alright, let's get real good and get started here.
Every time I run a part for the first time, I always bring everything in nice and slow. I turn my rapids down to 5%, turn my feed rate down to 0, just to make sure that nothing runs into anything. I go ahead and kick it up to 100% once I know everything's going to be good. Here I'm using the 3 flute, 3/8 inch carbide end mill, electro carbide. Depth of cut here, which is 2.292, I believe, just under 300 thou, about 100 inches a minute. This program could stand a little bit of speeding up. The rapids aren't very fast on here, and the linking moves, but yeah, this is just a one-off part, so I don't spend a whole lot of time working on that. We don't cut much aluminum, so it's kind of a joy to be able to cut aluminum. It's so much easier to cut than stainless. Here I'm cleaning up doing a profile pass to clean up the areas where the part is actually going to be held by the soft jaws. I slow this down to 40 inches a minute, and the same full depth of cut. I purposely left the part exposed on all four sides so that I could come in and probe and get the exact center of this part. The hole locations are pretty important. They come very close to that chamfer on the edge, so they need to be pretty spot on. Plus, of course, they need to match up with the mating part. I really love this drill here. It's a 1-inch carbide tipped through coolant Kennametal drill. It puts a 1-inch hole in this half-inch stainless relatively quickly. I'm only feeding at 4 inches a minute. These soft jaws are only holding on to about a 1/4 inch of material, so I didn't want to risk flinging this part out of the vise. I'm only going to show one of these parts. We're actually making 3, and they're all a little bit different. One has 2 holes, one has 3 holes, and one has 4 holes. I'm going to show the 4-hole one. It has 2 1.5-inch holes and 2 2-inch holes. The other ones just have 1.5-inch holes in them. After taking the bulk of the material out with this drill, I come back in with a 3/8-inch 5-flute Lakeshore Carbide end mill and profile out the rest of the hole. I believe we're taking a 50 thou width of cut here. It's going to take a few minutes to get through all the 1.5 and 2-inch holes, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the rest of this. At the end of the video, I'll have pictures of all the parts we made. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.
Needs to be deburned a little bit. Here we go.